Hi, I'm Shin, and today we'll paint a Honda Prelude. provide a quick update because a lot of things happened. As you can see already it's done. And yeah, it's painted as you can see, but I hope you see it. You see the scratches, right? It's because I didn't put a filler at the beginning. And tomorrow I will do it from the scratch. I will not recording this, I will just show you the result. Also, I started paint here. I hope I have somewhere a photo, so you will see that here was a rust, but also I put too much filler and I need to repair it. Remember, this is my first time of painting, so yeah, I can suck, but I will learn this. And I started to work with a roof because there was a lot of rust spots, and in 3 places there was a holes that was a heavy rust, so I cut them and I already welded them. I know the welds are shit, but I have a shitty welding machine and I must working with that what I have. But trust me, you will see the fine result. I will not recording this because here is a heavy access to record and I want to do it fast. For now I just do the shitty welds just for any cover of this holes. Tomorrow I will weld this hole and later grind it, put a filler and also paint it. And I figured out also this for another video probably, but I can tell you already why my cigarette lighter doesn't work. Because some stupid guy put wait. Hope you will see. These cables are from cigarette lighter, and there should be like this, and was like this, but I damaged this socket and I need to buy a new one. Then I will put this here and we will be able to check if that was that, but I think that was it. Yeah, but this will be for another video. For now, thank you for watching, because this will be all. I will put this video as something like day 2, day 3, I'm not sure. Yeah, this will be all for now, so thank you for watching, bye.